welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to teach you the pen tool. And so if you like my videos, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And let's go back to pen tool. And this is class number 3, a soft reminder. So let's begin. So this is our pen tool right here. I'm gonna click on it. Now as I clicked on it, can you see my symbol change to this pen tool? Now if I click over here, it creates an anchor point. But until I make some points like this, like kind of no, but it's starting to over here. It's making a little circle symbol under my pen tool. Why is that so? It's telling me when I'm gonna click on this point, then this path will change into a shape. Now let's click on it, and now let's move. Can you see now it's a shape? Now how to make smooth curved points using the anchor point and the pen tool. I'm gonna click here, and now I'm gonna click here, but don't leave your mouse. Hold your left key and move to the opposite direction, the direction you want to go, like this. And then you can even like select the width or the length of the path which has already been chosen. You can copy it, or if you want to make one of your own, then you can even do that by clicking over this point right here. Now you can. So now let's move on to our fun creative shapes. We have to make some cute little objects using the pen tool. Basic objects. Now before starting with the pen tool, I'm just gonna like take my ruler. I need some guides. Now for ruler there are two options. First is this shorter T, Control R. And the second option is go over here to the view. And then you might find over here rulers. And now show rulers. Okay, now I'm just gonna make a guide in between of my page or the artboard. Whatever you can say. Now I'm gonna take my pen tool. I'm gonna click over here. And then I'm gonna click over here and drag it. Now with the exact width, I'm not gonna do it with the exact width. I'm just gonna pause it over here by clicking escape. And now I'm not visible because there's no outline. And I'm just gonna fix that by giving it a black color like this. Okay, so now I'm gonna make a reflection of it to the opposite direction. You can even give it vertical and horizontal. I know there's not that much difference, but you will understand it. I'm gonna keep it vertical for now. If you wanna keep a specific angle, it's up to you. Now I'm gonna click on copy, and I'm just gonna like attach it over here. And now I'm just gonna increase my size. Okay. So can see there are two different points over here. Now in order to join them, I'm gonna select the two, and I'm gonna like right click over here. Now I'm not getting that option that used to came. Now I got the problem is that when you're using your guides, don't forget to lock them because they can sometimes like ruin your speed or your tempo. Now I'm gonna do it, and now can you see there's a join option? I'm gonna click on join, and now it's a particular point. Now if I'm moving it, one single point need to get left. Now like this. Now I'm gonna do the same over here. I'm gonna select these 2 points, right click and join. Alright, so can you see I have created this fun little shape, and I'm taking it out of my art book like this. Now next, what I'm gonna make is a cute little heart. I'm gonna take my pen tool and I'm gonna click over here, and then I'm gonna make a curve over here. And now I'm just gonna do it like this. And I'm just gonna fix this and it's getting a little peak and I wanted I'm gonna make it smooth. I made it a smooth over here. If you don't know the difference, you can go back in time. You can make the video back and you can see it by yourself. Now I'm gonna select this whole part. I'm gonna right click and go transform, reflect, and copy. And I'm gonna put it over here like this. Alright. Now